Children, today we are going to learn addition 2 digits with 2 digits using regrouping method. Are you ready for that?
Ready, sir.
Okay. See, Ramu has 28 rupees. Ranga has 15 rupees. Ramu has 28 rupees. Ranga has 15 rupees. So let us find how they have together. How much they have together. Listen, how much they have together. అంటే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఇద్దరి దగ్గర కలిసి ఎంత ఉందనేది మనము let us find. So with using sticks తోటి మనము చూద్దాం. So Ramu has, how much Ramu has?
28.
28. So 28 means how many ones, how many tens?
1 to 2. 1 to 8. 2 tens.
2 tens
8.
and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 ones, 2 tens, 8 ones. So total 28. Total is 28. So next Ranga has 15 rupees. So how many tens are there in 15? 1 10. How many? 1 10. How many ones are there?
5.
Ones are 5. Ones are 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. To find total, how much they have, what to do now to get the total? ఏం చేయాలి యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఏం చేయాలి? యాడ్ చేయాలి, అడిషన్ చేయాలి, యాడ్ ప్లస్ చేయాలి. ప్లస్ మీన్స్ adding. So how to add? We add ones to ones and tens to tens. We know. Now add all of you. First add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 sticks. How to do with 10 sticks? We make a new bundle. We make a bundle with 10 sticks.
33.
Yes. Listen. Yes. Listen. How much they have together. So it is bundle of sticks, 10 sticks. So it goes to tens. It goes to tens. So how many ones are there? 3 only. How many ones are there? 3 only. Ones 3. 1, 2, 3. Ones, how many ones? 3. Okay. Now how many tens are there?
4.
1 10 goes to tens. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens are there?
4.
43. 4 tens. 4 tens 40. 3 ones 3. 40 plus 3 43. So this way we can addition 2 digits with 2 digits using regrouping. Regrouping అంటే స్థాన మార్పిడి. సో ఇక్కడ వన్స్ అనేది టెన్స్, వన్స్ లో 10 ఉంటే మనం తీసుకుపోయి ఏం చేసినాం, దాన్ని టెన్స్ లో యాడ్ చేసినాం. సో ఈ విధంగా మనము చేసినాం. సో కెన్ యూ డూ అనదర్ ప్రాబ్లం? మీరు వేరే ప్రాబ్లం చేస్తారా? సో దిస్ వే, ఇదే విధంగా చేయాలి. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 32 plus 90. 32 plus 90. సో ఇది చేయాలి. హూ కెన్ డూ? ఎవరు చేస్తారు? పవన్ తేజ్. ఎస్ ఎస్. ఓకే. 32. ఓకే, డూ. 32 అంటే చేసుకోను. తీసుకో. సఫిషియెంట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. Glue sticks. Take from here. Take from here. Say loudly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next, what to do? Next. What is there here? Plus means adding. Plus means adding. So add. How to do addition? Ones to ones, tens to tens. So first ones, add ones. Here add it. 10. So what to do with 10 sticks? Bundle. Make bundle. Wait for the answer. Okay, make it bundle. I will help you. This bundle. Bundles. Yes, it goes to tens place. Why? It is bundle. It is 10 bundle. Next. So how many ones loose sticks are remained there? 1. So you write 1 here. 1 once. Next. What to do next? 5 tens. Yes, right here 5. That means 5 tens, 1 ones. 5 tens how much? 50. 5 1 ones 1. 50 plus 1? 51. Very good. Clap for all this. Have you all understood how to do addition with 2 digits with regrouping? Have you understood or not? Understood? Yes. Fine.